So hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. So in this video I'm going to unbox this whiteboard duster, and with this whiteboard duster you will also get another two extra whiteboard marker you will get. So let's just unbox this one and see its uses, how it works and everything. And at the end of this video I will also give you a quick review of this product, that whether you should buy it or not, so you can finally make a correct decision that that money that it's charging, or the money is worth or not. So let's just unbox this one. That is the main packet, and now this is the main product. We can see this is the main product. Also unpack this one. So now finally we get this one, and also we'll get this way. So two extra marker we'll get along with this duster. So this two color we'll get. So first one is it's blue and it's black. So this is the duster. We just first clean this board and let's check this marker. So first let's check black one. This is black. So black one is positive reinforcement. This you can see, this black one marker is very good. Writing is smooth, easy to handle it, and this look premier, and this build quality also very good. Now let's check this one, the blue one. So this is also very nice. So this is quite good. Now finally the main part. Let's erase this. So it's very good. Erasing is very good. It's easily gets erase all those written data, written things. You can easily erase it. So it's quite good, but I think few ghost mark still is remaining on the whiteboard. So it's not up to the mark, but in this price range you may consider this one. So my review would be 3.5 out of 5. So if you want to buy this, link is in the description, you may check it out. And for more such content you can subscribe to our channel, and also please like this video and share this video with your friends who want this product or who are looking for this kinds of product. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.